Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a custom search engine, how you can add a custom search engine to your Google Chrome. Select the three dots up here and go to the settings tab. Then you're going to go to search engine and I'm going to select manage search. Scroll down, press add. I'm just going to name it Wikipedia. I'm going to add in a shortcut and I'll add that and type in wiki, and they want to add this like discount sign, percent sign, and S, discount sign, a percent symbol and an S. Press add. Scroll down until you find it. Did I? Okay. Press the three dots and select make default. Press the plus button and now you can type in anything and it will automatically go to a Wikipedia website. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.